Hi, language learners. Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a new student joining us. Meet Mike. I'm going to ask him some fun questions about animal expressions, and he's going to try his best to answer them. Let's get started. First question. What does wild goose chase mean?
It means a pointless or hopeless search, like when you're looking for something that probably doesn't even exist.
Great job, Mike. Now, let's move on to the next one. What does crocodile tears mean?
It means fake or insincere sadness, like pretending to be upset when you're really not.
Awesome. And here comes the last one. What does eagle eye mean?
It means very sharp attention to detail, like noticing tiny mistakes, spotting hidden clues, or catching things others miss.
Well done, Mike. Now this isn't the end. It's just the beginning. Let's dive into expressions and learn more together.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Meaning. Reveal a secret.
Meaning, reveal a secret.
Did you hear about Sarah's surprise party?
No, who let the cat out of the bag?
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Meaning. Wait or be patient.
Meaning, wait or be patient.
Let's go now.
Hold your horses. I'm still getting ready.
A fish out of water.
A fish out of water.
Meaning. Feeling uncomfortable or out of place.
Meaning, feeling uncomfortable or out of place.
How was your first dance class?
Honestly, I felt like a fish out of water.
The elephant in the room.
The elephant in the room.
Meaning. An obvious issue no one wants to talk about.
Meaning, an obvious issue no one wants to talk about.
Everyone's acting normal.
But no one's mentioning the elephant in the room, the budget cuts.
Busy as a bee.
Busy as a bee.
Meaning. Very active or hardworking.
Meaning, very active or hardworking.
You've been working all day.
Yep, I'm busy as a bee preparing for the exam.
Pig out.
Pig out.
Meaning. Eat too much.
Meaning, eat too much.
Did you eat all the pizza?
I know, I totally pigged out.
Monkey business.
Monkey business.
Meaning. Silly or dishonest behavior.
Meaning, silly or dishonest behavior.
Why is the classroom such a mess?
Looks like some monkey business happened here.
Chicken out.
Chicken out.
Meaning. Get scared and back out.
Meaning, get scared and back out.
Did you go on the roller coaster?
Nope, I chickened out at the last minute.
Dog days.
Dog days.
Meaning. Very hot summer days.
Meaning, very hot summer days.
It's 40 degrees today.
Ah, the dog days of summer are here.
Curiosity killed the cat.
Curiosity killed the cat.
Meaning, being too curious can lead to trouble.
Meaning, being too curious can lead to trouble.
I peeked into his diary.
Careful. Curiosity killed the cat.
At a snail's pace.
At a snail's pace.
Meaning, moving very slowly.
Meaning, moving very slowly.
We've been waiting forever.
Yeah, this line is moving at a snail's pace.
A little bird told me.
A little bird told me.
Meaning, I heard a secret from someone.
Meaning, I heard a secret from someone.
How did you know I got the job?
A little bird told me.
Snake in the grass.
Snake in the grass.
Meaning, a sneaky or untrustworthy person.
Meaning, a sneaky or untrustworthy person.
I thought he was my friend.
Turns out he was a snake in the grass.
Bull in a china shop.
Bull in a china shop.
Meaning, someone clumsy or careless.
Meaning, someone clumsy or careless.
He knocked over everything.
He's like a bull in a china shop.
Wolf in sheep's clothing.
Wolf in sheep's clothing.
Meaning, someone pretending to be harmless.
Meaning, someone pretending to be harmless.
She seems nice.
Be careful. She's a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Have a whale of a time.
Have a whale of a time.
Meaning, have a great time.
Meaning, have a great time.
How was the party?
Amazing. We had a whale of a time.
The early bird catches the worm.
The early bird catches the worm.
Meaning, people who act early succeed.
Meaning, people who act early succeed.
Why are you up so early?
The early bird catches the worm.
Quiet as a mouse.
Quiet as a mouse.
Meaning, very quiet.
Meaning, very quiet.
I didn't hear you come in.
I was quiet as a mouse.
Acting the goat.
Acting the goat.
Meaning, behaving foolishly.
Meaning, behaving foolishly.
He was dancing on the table.
Yep, totally acting the goat.
Guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
Meaning, a test subject.
Meaning, a test subject.
Why am I trying this weird smoothie first?
Because you're the guinea pig. Wow, we learned so many animal expressions today. I'm feeling as proud as a peacock.
Remember, the more you practice these expressions, the more natural they'll sound in your English conversations. Try using one today. You might surprise yourself.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe so you can join us for more fun English lessons.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.